Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually find potential meme coins that could 100x and turn you into a millionaire. I'm going to show you how to jump in early and possibly score some huge gains. Before diving into the specific altcoins, I want to point out that these coins have very small market caps, making them highly volatile. The money I've invested in them is money I can afford to lose without regrets. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just my thoughts and observations. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. I know what you're thinking. The crypto market's been brutal over the past year, with Bitcoin and Ethereum crashing hard. Tons of people have lost a lot of money in crypto. So, why would anyone want to dive into meme coins of all things? Well, let me tell you, the meme coin space is where some of the wildest gains have been happening, even during this bear market. Just look at Dogecoin. If you had put in just $1,000 when it first started gaining traction a few years ago, that $1,000 would be worth over $1 million today. Or look at Shiba Inu, started as a complete joke, yet it's made tons of people incredibly wealthy. Yo, check it out. These meme coins, they're like those moonshot chances you don't want to miss. Sure, they're risky and all, mad speculative. Most might crash and burn. But yo, when you find those rare gems early, before everyone's talking about them, the gains can be straight up mind-blowing. And that's what I'm going to school you on today. First thing I always do when I'm hunting for new meme coin opportunities is hit up CoinCodex website. Come on. CoinCodex is like this super thorough crypto data hub that covers thousands of different cryptocurrencies. One of the dopest features on CoinCodex is the trending section, where you can see which cryptos are making moves and catching everyone's eye. If you filter it to just show meme coins, you can really see which projects are starting to blow up and gain momentum. For instance, if I spot a low market cap meme coin ranked in the top 10 on CoinCodex's trending list, that's a clear sign it's getting serious hype and attention from the crypto community. And you know how it goes. When meme coins start going viral, they can explode in price in just days or weeks. Another slick feature on CoinCodex is the undervalued section. It uses tech indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to spot cryptos that could be trading below their real value. Now, technical analysis ain't no exact science, especially with meme coins being so wild. But if you spot a low market cap meme coin tagged as potentially undervalued, that could mean it's flying under the radar and ready to pop off big time. So those are just a couple ways you can use CoinCodex to scope out promising new meme coin projects. The trick is to stay on top of that trending list and undervalued section, because the meme coin scene moves crazy fast. Now, once you've pinpointed a few meme coin contenders that you reckon have potential, the next move is to dive deep into the on-chain data and analytics. This is crucial because many new meme coins aren't even listed on major centralized exchanges yet. You've got to monitor the blockchain and decentralized exchanges closely to get a solid grasp of the project. The first tool I always rely on for this is Etherscan, the go-to Ethereum blockchain explorer. With Etherscan, you can do things like track the activity of the token's largest wallet addresses. Are the developers and team members actively buying and holding the token? Or are they selling it off? That could be a red flag. You can also check how many unique wallet addresses hold the token. Is the community and user base growing steadily, or has it started to stagnate? Another incredibly useful platform is DEX Tools, where you can monitor activity on decentralized exchanges. You can find the most viewed trading pairs, see the biggest daily gainers, and track liquidity and trading volume for specific meme coin tokens. This can give you a solid sense of whether a project is gaining real traction and attention from traders. And the third essential tool I rely on is DBank, a DeFi portfolio tracker. With DBank, you can view the crypto holdings and transaction history of any Ethereum wallet address. So you can pinpoint the smart money wallets known for making savvy moves and track if they're starting to accumulate a new meme coin you're eyeing. By combining all of these on-chain analytics tools, you can get a much clearer picture of what's really happening with a meme coin project. You can see the real activity and interest levels, rather than just relying on hype and marketing. That can be invaluable in distinguishing the true gems from the duds. Yo, the last piece of the puzzle to finding dope new meme coins is staying tight with the crypto crew. That's where you catch the earliest hints and signals about the next big thing, dude. Stay connected, stay sharp. Now, I know many of you are probably already hanging out on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and other crypto social channels. That's awesome, right where you gotta be. But the trick is knowing how to sift through real, organic hype from the manufactured buzz. Many meme coin projects these days try to inflate their online presence using bots, paid shills, and influencer marketing. You gotta know how to distinguish real community buzz and engagement from an army of fake accounts and paid promoters. Check out the quality of comments and engagement on social posts. Feel out the vibe of the community. Is there genuine passion and excitement? Or does it seem forced and fake? Following accounts like LookinChain, which track the on-chain activity of smart money wallets, can be incredibly useful. When you spot those high-profile, profitable addresses starting to stock up on a new meme coin, that's a solid signal worth diving deeper into. At the end of the day, staying in tune with the crypto community is essential. But it's all about honing your ability to cut through the noise and hype and zoom in on the genuine signals of a project gaining real traction. Now I get it. Meme coins are risky as hell. Most of them will crash and burn. But if you snag that 1 in 100 project early, and it takes off, the potential upside? Mind-blowing, man. I'm talking life-changing gains here. But hey, gotta say it. Only invest what you can afford to lose, man. Meme coins aren't for the faint-hearted, but if you're ready to grind, stay disciplined, and dig deep, you might just uncover the next Dogecoin or Shiba Inu before it skyrockets. Alright, that's the end of today's video. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more useful content in the future. Thanks for watching and feel free to let us know your perspectives in the comments section. One more time, we're Whiteboard Invest Crew and welcome on board, my friends. Peace out.